Subscribe to Digital Danny YouTube channel. Also press the bell icon for latest tech news around the world. Welcome to Digital Danny YouTube channel where we tell you about latest gadgets, tech tips, quick hacks and a lot more. So let's start the video. Hello friends, welcome to Digital Danny YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can make graphic designs using this online website canva.com. You don't need any photoshopping skills. You can just come onto the website and explore this website. This website will help you to make Instagram poster, presentations, videos, logos and a lot more. So you don't need actually any photoshopping skills to make graphic design nowadays. You can just come on to this website. This is absolutely free and you can use it for your professional work, personal work. Many people are using these kind of website in their offices also, and you can do a lot more on this website. And up to some designs it is absolutely free. You can just use the free feature of this website, but you want to do very professional work, then you can go on to get a Canva Pro version. So let me just show you how you can make a simple Instagram post for yourself or your company or your profession. So let's go over here, create a design, and see, this is the option which you want, Instagram post. And when you come over here you will see that this is the area where you have to work on. This is the blank canvas where you have to import your images. So let us suppose I'll this, see, this gives templates also where you can make free designs. So let us suppose we go over here and use this template. This template would be added over here. You can just make any edits. See, this is the area we have to make edit during crisis, and you can put your country, like let us suppose your country is UK. You can put like this. You can use this feature like this, and you can add any other feature which you want. You can make you can add a logo of your company, like you can just go to photos and you can use any picture from here, or you can, if you want, you can import photos also. You have to just click over here, see, computer. You can just click the desktop option. You will see a lot of options are there, and you can use this amazing pictures over here which are totally, some of them are free, but some you have to, like, if you want some good pictures you can just buy it. Also you can upload the images from your laptop. You can just go over here and upload images in your computer. You can just click over here and see, this will open desktop, and you can just use any image. Let me just upload one image. You can see, okay, let me just import this image. Okay, and you can just drag this image onto this graphic art or your canvas, and that's how you can do this work. It's really good website for the people who don't know how to use Photoshop. So I'll import this image. It is loading up. My internet is a little bit slow, so let me just drop over here. See, this is very easy, and I have just adjusted some way just to show you an example. Okay, when you're done this, you have to just click over here, and you can download this video, because this is a video. You can see it has some animations, so you can just see preparing your design. Likewise, you can do a lot of things. I'll just take you through very quickly onto this website, because I don't want this website to be so long. So I'll just, during a crisis UK, this is MP4, and this will be added up over here. Okay, you can just check this. Okay, so this is how the website looks like. So like, you can make a lot of things from this website. You have to go back. Basically you can do a lot of design work and video making from this website. Now you can, let's, uh, we want to make infographics. You can go here. You have Facebook post, Facebook cover page, so many things are there. You can also make a Instagram story for your page. Let's see how does it work. So okay, so this is the place where you have to paste. See, it also give you canvas also, like you might have seen a lot of Instagram pages are using canvas on their page, and their design is very good. So might be using these templates, free templates, which also you can use in your Instagram account. So let's say I'll drag this one. Okay, this is the, see how cool is this. You literally don't have to do anything. You don't need any kind of skill set. You can just use this website. You can change the color. Okay, you can just change the color. See, it's really nice. You can just download this PNG image, and that's it. Very easy. Just use this website for your work, for graphic design. You don't need any photoshopping for this. You can put any name. So I'll show open the folder. Okay, open with Google Chrome. See, this you can use on your stories on Instagram. You can make thumbnails. You can make YouTube thumbnail, channel art, book cover, desktop wallpaper, certificates. You can make certificate also for your company. So I think I'll wrap this up because this video is getting too long now. But I'll, before closing this video, I'll just show you. This is the certificate. See, this is the certificate which you would be interested to know. See, here you can just edit the name, put the logo of your company, and that's it. You can just export this thing and use that image for your work. So that's it, guys. This application, this website is also available on Android and iOS. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like our channel, please subscribe to it. Also, please check out these cool videos which we have made for you. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.